Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock all episodes in Dramabox. There's no free hack to unlock all Dramabox episodes at once, but there are official ways to unlock episodes safely without breaking any rules. First, open the Dramabox app on your phone, tap on any episode that shows a lock icon. Dramabox will ask you to spend coin. If you have enough coin, the episodes unlock instantly. How to get coins? Free way. You can get coin by daily checking reward, watching ads completely, and completing in-app tasks, special events, and promotion. This lets you unlock episode one by one without paying money. If you want every episode unlocked automatically, this is the only official way. For that, subscribe inside the Dramabox app, tap on the profile. After that, join membership. This is the closest thing to unlock all episodes. And remember, do not use mod apps, do not use unlock episode websites. These methods are unsafe and can get your account banned or hacked. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.